The most recent leak about the forthcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 FE claims to display the variety of colors that the more reasonably priced flagship phone would be available in. Early in the year, Samsung launches its flagship phone, and before the Christmas shopping season, it usually follows it up with a fan edition model that has less features but is less expensive. After the Galaxy S23 was released in February, fans have been eagerly awaiting news regarding the Galaxy S23 FE. According to a report on Friday, the Galaxy S23 FE will be available in 4 colors. According to a leaked image, those will be pearl white, black graphite, a deep purple lavender, and a pastel green olive shade. The article noted that there are less color choices available than there were when the Galaxy S23 premiered, which had 6. Otherwise, not much more about the Galaxy S23 FE is revealed by the renderings, which are arranged in what seems to be a leaked advertising. From the rear, it resembles the Samsung Galaxy S23 in terms of the 3 vertical stoplight cameras, albeit the flash next to the lenses to the right seems to be a little lower than it does on Samsung's top model. Though its external frame seems to have the same silver metallic hue and finish across all variants, instead of more gracefully matching or complementing the phone's colors in the normal S23, the S23 FE appears to have the same flat back and sides and rounded corners in terms of design. The Galaxy FE series has had a difficult few years because earlier models had to delay their usual releases due to pandemic supply chain disruptions. For example, the Galaxy S21 FE missed its late year 2021 window and awkwardly launched in early 2022, practically alongside the brand new Galaxy S22 flagship, and Samsung skipped the Galaxy S22 FE entirely. However, there have been enough leaks and speculations to indicate that a Galaxy S23 FE is in the works. The next concern is the release date.